Hakasmi balai jangka dorbar mang tingka ke jela Meghalaya kata haka aku art terik uleber lasaki ya gajingnya tai ke basani baha halor gajing penia yaki school bus hapo ke program Sustainable Transport and Efficient Mobility Society STEMS ke bapenne jingmut haka jing penia yaki kali kanang ban Pynkylluid yaka sor Shillong haba jubab yaka jingkali haka kanta bu jingkali umenteri rangba ke jela u Conrad ki Sangma ulaong ba ke jing tumu ban pendrong yaka STEMS kalong ban pendunai ke jing daheng kali hapo asar bat ulai thuru baki dan ko ba arpau nyo hajar ngut ki khana school ki balik school hagi than la imkhara dan giti bat kombahin rupau persen na ki khana school ki wan ki kali kamai lani ki kali shimat.
So keeping that in mind, a lot of discussion took place with the stakeholders, which is the schools themselves, the parents, the police, government administration. And a number of efforts were made to coordinate with the schools to start these bus services. But we found that the schools were very reluctant. A lot of them were reluctant to run the bus services, where they stressed on the fact that it is very complicated, and of course their primary work is to teach and not run bus services. And hence, we were in a very complex situation where we had to achieve the goal of reducing the congestion, yet be sensitive towards the concerns of the parents and the schools.
Ula benrap shushu ban pen urlong ya kathong ban Pynkylluid ya kasar ban haju kapuar ban chimkia tiba ki school ki asyam ka sarkar kalarai ban sedang ya kani ka program ka badai ka rukam perkhat ka bathamai ha ka babaro ki dan ketilang ban peniat ikini ki bos.